So you've decided you want to change the look of your red taillights on your Pro XP. Or, more like me, you've broken one of the taillights on your Pro XP and wanted to give these things a try. So we're going to try them out today and see how bright they are and what they look like on this Pro XP here. I don't know, first thoughts, I'm thinking they're not going to be as bright, but we'll see. I'll try them out. See what we got here. Let's do it. Here's the back side of it. We've got 3 nuts holding those on. Those are 10 millimeter. We're just going to pop those out real quick. Those come out pretty easy. Just crack them loose with your wrench and they came right out with my fingers. Before I take that one out, let's turn on the lights and just see what they look like in this environment. The brightness level. Look about like that. See, you can't even really tell that that one's broken. Unless, of course, you're looking at the plastic of it. And here's the brake light. Okay. Now we know. We got the 3 nuts out, so we're just gonna pull it out. Sometimes you push on the threads of that last one. There we go. And we're left with a connector, which we will need to disconnect. Looks like that. We're just going to pull this tab off a little bit, and the connector comes right off. We've got the new one, but it comes with some new nuts, so we're just going to zip those off real quick. Then we can plug it in to our connector and put it in position. Now at this point, we're going to stand back and test it and see what we think. Okay, first thoughts, they are much dimmer than the originals. Much, much dimmer, but you'll have that with the smoked out lens. I'm wondering, even with the lens change, if even that would be enough to change it. There's a question. No, the lens is glued in, so you can't just replace the lens. I was thinking, what if you put the lens on and kept the OEM lights, the back panel, but no dice. That is the way it is. Let's see what the brake lights look like. What do you think? They are definitely much dimmer. But I think I like the look of that lens. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm liking it. Also, I have another chase bar that I use that looks like this. And when I hit the brakes, they light up there too, so that's what most people look at. Because when you run in the mud like I do, mud comes off your tire and completely covers this light. You can't even see it. So I think I'm going to send it with those ones anyway. Let me shut off the lights and look at the way it looks when it is not on. There we go. Look at that. I got the original OEM finish, red, and we've got this one black. I really do like that black. Yeah, I do like that. And it does have a DOT stamp on it. I don't know if that's legit or not, but they look cool. I like it. I'm gonna send it. Let's look at it in the dark, shall we? That's what it looks like in the dark. I'll flash the brake lights at you. Oh, sorry about that. There you go. All right, well, let me get the other one in there. Well, at this point, you can make your decision, yay or nay. I'm going yay because that one's broken. I don't really have another choice, but $100 for this one. It's a little dimmer, but it looks cool in black. in my opinion. Or go get yourself an OEM. But we're going to send it with this one, which means putting on the nuts that it came with. That side is in. Kind of looks like it's got a black eye from the back now. Let me get that one all switched over and we'll take another look. There they are. Fully installed. Let's turn the lights on and the big lights off and we'll see what they look like. Here you go. Let's get some backlight on there. See what they look like in the daytime. They look like that. There you have it. Worth it? You be the judge. You can do it on your own machine. I know the next question is, how well do they last? And the answer is, I don't know yet. You know, I just noticed they got a neat little design in here. That's kind of cool. Yeah, we'll see how long they last. Like I said, I do a lot of mudding. So mud's gonna flip up in there, cover them up, hit them with the power washer. I'll see if they fog over or get dim in any other way, and we'll keep you posted. So if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. Everything I do to this machine, I keep in a playlist for your ease of access. I want to thank you for watching, especially thanks to all you subscribers and every member out there. I really appreciate the support. I'm so glad that you've chosen to join me on this journey with this machine. But thanks again for watching. I hope to see you here for another video on 3-Day Weekend.